Hey guys, Technical with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone if you're having any sort of touchscreen issues on the new iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, or any of the new 15 lineup, or any iPhone for the matter of fact. You can follow these steps and hopefully your touchscreen will be working at the end of the video. And if not, we'll show you or tell you what you need to do next. So as you know, with the new iPhone 15, if you're having touch issues, sometimes it could be just a simple force restart that you need to do. So in order to do a force restart, you're going to press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down. Now these buttons one after another. So volume up, volume down quick, and then finally hold the side button on your right hand side until the screen goes completely black. You see the Apple logo appear. At that time, you'll let go of that button. We'll do volume up, volume down, and then I hold the side button. So make sure if you press volume up and down quick one after another in that sequence, and then hold the side button. As you can see, I'm not sliding to power off. I'm going to wait till the phone completely shuts down, and then I see the Apple logo will appear in a few seconds, and I let go of that button, and that's just shutting down the phone completely, reloading the code. So if it's a software related issue impacting the touch screen on your new iPhone, it hopefully will resolve that issue for you. And this method will not delete any of your personal data, so all your photos, videos, apps will be on your phone without any issue. Now the next thing you want to do is that if you're using a screen protector, especially some screen protectors out there can actually interfere with the touch of your iPhone. So in order to troubleshoot, I would recommend removing that screen protector and seeing if that helps. And along with that, you also want to go ahead and clean your screen as well. Sometimes if you get oil or dust or debris or grimes build up on the touchscreen here, it can impact your phone's touchscreen because you might experience where you're touching here and it's moving around. Go ahead and use a microfiber cloth and just lock the phone and simply wipe it down so that it is completely clean and just without any sort of dust or dirt buildup, and that should hopefully alleviate any sort of issue you're having with the touch. Now after you have done that, the next thing to do is going ahead and seeing if there's a software update available for your iPhone. In order to do that, you go into setting of your iPhone, general, software update. Now since the release of the iPhone 15 with iOS 17, there has been multiple versions of the updates to fix bug fixes and any issues that people are experiencing. So it's always best to update your phone to the latest version. Right now at the time of recording, there's already 17.2.1, so you want to go ahead and update it. Make sure your phone is at least 50% or more charged, connected to a good strong cellular or Wi-Fi data, and also give yourself about half an hour to 45 minutes to update the phone. So hopefully if it's a software related issue that's causing that touch screen issue, it will resolve it for you. Along with that is you also want to go ahead and update apps. If you're having issues specifically on an app, you'll take your iPhone and go to the App Store, right? Generally, you can update all the apps at once by going into your App Store, going and clicking on your profile up top here. And here it will give you all the apps that you have. You can update all. As you can see here, I have 26 on this phone. You can manually update the app. So if you're having issues maybe on Reddit, you can individually update the app. And the reason why you want to do that is that what happens is if you have a new version of the software of the phone and it's not compatible with the version of the app, it might give you issues. So you want to update your phone with the app so they're compatible and there's no compatibility issue. Now along with that is other things to consider if you're going to still have issues with your iPhone, is to do what's known as a reset of settings. So reset of settings is really simple. You go into your setting of your iPhone, you go to general, and then down here where it says transfer reset iPhone, and then you click on the first option. You're going to reset all settings. Now I know this sounds like it's going to reset a lot of things, but it's important to do that because it will reset the settings themselves, like network connected devices. So if you're connected to certain Wi-Fi or have connected devices, you'll have to reconnect again. Any keyboard dictionary, any custom home screen layout, and any location and privacy settings. Now these are specifically the settings themselves, so your phone will not delete any of your personal data like photos, videos, apps, documents, whatever you have. Just the settings themselves will be reset. So if there's a setting that's causing your touchscreen to not work correctly, hopefully after you do that, which again will take about maybe a minute or two, it will fix it for you. Now after you have done that and you're still having any issues with your iPhone, the other thing you can do is inspect your phone for any physical damage. Sometimes if you do have dropped it or something, it could actually affect the internal cables in the screen that you don't physically see, and that could be the reason why the phone is having issue. In that case, you'll need to take it to Apple Store where they can take a closer look at it. Now, another thing you can do, which takes a little bit more effort, is backing up your iPhone and then doing a factory reset and then restoring it again. This is a 3-step process which we explain in another video, which will leave a link for that video as well. Now, if you have done all of this and you simply are still having issues with your iPhone, it could be a defective phone. In that case, you need to contact Apple or go to the Apple Store in order to have them take a look at it. Generally, since the iPhone 15 just came out, it should be covered hopefully under for the 1-year limited warranty that Apple provides, and in that case you might be able to get it repaired or replaced for free, but you'll have to contact Apple for them to determine that. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.